Welcome to Tokyo!
Hi everyone! This is Kumiko-Teressa, Tókyo Ramen Girl. On this episode, we'll be introducing two different ramen noodle places, which is in Nerima, north side of Tokyo. These places are definitely a hole in the wall, so let's check it out! First, we'll be introducing a ramen place in Nerima with a lot of students. This ramen place uses natural kansui for their noodles. Soup is soy sauce based and light but has a certain richness to it. Fried green onions gives it a good kick to it also. The noodles are straight and chewy. The aroma of wheat definitely allures your appetite because the noodles are handmade at this place. I cannot get enough of the combination of the taste of soup and the aroma of the noodles. This place is 30-minute train ride from Tokyo Station, Ekoda Station on Seibu Ikebukuro Line, only 50 meters from the station. Next ramen place is also in the same Nerima area. This ramen noodles has an eccentric look to it. Half-boiled eggs, fried onions, chashu, and mizuna leaves are on top of the noodles. This ramen is popular among Japanese ladies. The soup is rich and creamy with chicken stock umami, but at the same time, it's light too. The noodles are chewy and thick. Chashu is very soft and fried onions are crispy and sweet. When you squeeze a sliced lemon on the side, you can enjoy a different taste. No wonder it's popular among ladies. This place is 2-minute walk from Tobu Nerima Station on Tobu Tojo Line. Nerima is a downtown Tokyo full of Japanese style. There's an amusement park called Toshimaen nearby. You can jump in the pool after having yummy ramen noodles. Also, there's St. Paul's University nearby, which is a historic building. You should go check it out. Doron has reported 2 ramen noodle places this time. He's known to be very knowledgeable about ramen noodles in Japanese entertainment world. So, what did you think? Didn't it make you crave for ramen noodles? Make sure you make a stop at these places when you come to Tokyo. See you soon. Bye!